Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. This is for your relationship, Taurus, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Taurus. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that reading, Taurus. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have 5 of Wands, 8 of Cups, and Queen of Pentacles. So, Taurus, in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, you are facing a lot of struggles. Things are going in a difficult way. You are making a lot of efforts, doing your best, trying your best. So, you have people competing with you in your work situation, and you need to do things the right way each and every time if you want success. And even though you are in a competition, you are making a lot of efforts, you are also tasting success today, happiness and success. All that hard work is definitely paying off, and you are a person who is really kind, generous. So you help people with your kindness, maybe financially, or it may be some help, some advice you're giving. And maybe you are in a good position, and in your relationship, this person sees you as someone kind, compassionate, and they see you as an inspiration, and they see you as someone in a good position able to help them. And you are a really talented person, Taurus, talented and skilled. And there are circumstances where this person requests your help. So maybe for some of you, you are helping them financially. That is what I see, guys. And maybe today you are interested in something else. Maybe you are thinking of a different way of life. Maybe uh, you have a lot of experience. You are um, thinking of a spiritual awakening or a spiritual path. Maybe you have everything you need in life. Uh, you have accumulated whatever you need to do, maybe whatever goals you need to achieve, and you are focusing on something else. Maybe you're thinking of a different way of life, or you're thinking of a change, uh, of changing your life today. So, though you have everything, you are thinking of some changes. And maybe if you are interested in marriage or commitment, or if this person is interested in marriage or commitment, before that, we'll see what is this card, guys. Knight of Pentacles. Maybe you will accept their proposal, or maybe if it is their energy, they will also accept their proposal. But there are great changes happening in them emotionally. So that is what I see, guys. And you are a very helping person. So you're helping someone. Maybe you're trying to help someone. Maybe it may be this person you love, or it may be uh, someone else, maybe a close family member. So a lot of changes are happening and you are growing emotionally, spiritually. That is what I see, guys. Taurus, for y'all today. So let's see what is the card for your career circumstances. We picked one card, Emperor in reverse. So in your work circumstances, maybe you have certain ideals for yourself. You do things in a particular way. And today there may be some obstruction to that. Some delays may be there, and people may be opposing you on certain things, competing with you. So you need a lot of attention and focus on your work situation, Taurus. So that is the reading for you all today, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading. That is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way, the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card for those who chose this card. So it is a Crystal Spirits card, guys, and it says Solar Light. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today, in your circumstances, you are healing from some circumstance you have been through. And healing does not mean that you need to be perfect, but you must be aware of the truth that you are a divine being and you're always connected to the universe or God or that higher spirit, whatever you call it. And that higher spirit or that conscious universe wants always the best for you. And you need to understand that when you know that you have that divine link, that unbreakable bond with that higher power, you will see your circumstance from a higher perspective and you will not go back to your old patterns, whatever you wanted to move away from, guys. So that higher spirit can guide you where you need to be today. Maybe if you do not know what should be your next decision, maybe you are deciding something and you are not clear about those choices, you just need to meditate, be silent for some time, and you will get that answer you need. And you must always be present, be aware of your actions, be aware of your circumstances. When you do that, you will create your own future, whatever you wish for, and you will move towards your dreams and goals, whatever that may be. And it boosts your self confidence and inner strength to hold on to whatever dreams or goals or uh, whatever we want to do. So, those intentions, positive intentions. So, you will have that courage to hold on to all those positive intentions and your goals or aspirations, whatever it is. And this crystal uh, card is about that, guys. It is about non attachment in any circumstance and seeing your circumstance from a higher perspective. So you will make the right choice without a speck of selfishness, and you are going to make that from a higher ground, feeling really balanced and peaceful at heart. So when you make such decisions, you will never go wrong. So that is the energy here with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card for you all. We will see the second card. So for those who chose this card, Snow White, purity. So with this card, it just means that maybe in your circumstances, you have faced a lot. Maybe you have seen so much evil. You have seen people rejecting you or people really envious of you. But whatever bad things you have seen till now, it's not been enough to change you, because you are someone pure hearted, you are a pure soul, uncorrupted, and that is the beauty of your character. And maybe today your that beauty is going to shine. And even when others try to harm you and they are really bitter to you and they consider you as their rival, however they are towards you, you never reciprocate that. You never take revenge on those people. You just see evil, but you do not go for those what to say toxic feelings. You are someone pure hearted and you're going to come out of these tests successfully, and your kindness will be rewarded. There will be trying times you are seeing today, maybe some challenges in your work or even in your relationship, but you are going to win, and you are someone really loving, caring, trustworthy person. And all that evil, whatever you faced, has not touched your heart. And you are a very pure soul. That is the energy with this card, guys. And you are good to everyone, and that goodness is coming back to you multifold, guys. And your kindness will always be rewarded. So you need not feel that you are really kind and compassionate, but people are not like that towards you. They are showing their angry side to you. You need not worry about all that, because with this card I see that your good nature is going to be rewarded today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.